Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make cotton stems using products that you can find outside or that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. So for products that you can find outside, I went ahead and grabbed this twig from a walk that I had earlier in the day with my doggy. And I also picked up pine cones and I cut them up so that they were just these aren't leaves. I'm not exactly sure what they're called on a pine cone, but I took the pine cone apart is really in essence what I did. However, if you can't find, and then of course, I'm sorry, the cotton balls that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. If you don't have pine cones near you or easily accessible to you, you can also pick up from the Dollar Tree one of these potpourri packs, the more natural, neutral color one. This is a vanilla scent. It doesn't smell like vanilla, by the way. And you can pick out the ones that closely resemble the bottom of the cotton stems. Again, this is one that I have already made. So we're gonna go ahead and walk through trying to make a cotton stem. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So you can either do 2 cotton balls for a smaller pulp. I'm not sure what it would be called. Bloom, maybe? I don't know. Or you can do 3. However you choose to do it. You're gonna start by forming the cotton itself. I'm gonna go ahead and do 3, so I'm just going to hot glue the 3 of them together. And it doesn't take a lot of glue, obviously, to get these to stay together. And once you have them glued together, then it's as easy as just picking pieces of either your pine cone that you took apart or the potpourri that you purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I am going to use the pine cones. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue them where the creases of where the cotton balls meet. Now that gives that illusion. All right, I have one glued. I think it's easier to go ahead and put the glue on the piece that you're, whether it be the pine cone or the potpourri, but your choice on if you'd rather put the glue on the cotton ball. So you're just going to continue to do this until you have as many of the little circles, or you know, I don't know what they're called, these little balls, cotton balls, as you want. Now, once I have them glued to the cotton ball, then what I'm going to try to do is squeeze them together and glue them at the bottom so that it seems like it is one piece connecting. And for this, you can use scissors or something just to push down so that you're not burning your finger. And there you have one done. So you're going to continue this process until you have one that would cover each stem of your twig. And once you have one that covers each stem of your twig, you are going to then glue it to your stem. So I just pushed it through there, and then I'm just gonna add a tad of glue just so that it doesn't come off. And there you have it. So here I'm going to just continue to do my cotton balls. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stems that I have to still fill in. So let's go ahead and get that done. And on some of them, if you only want to do 2 cotton balls, go for it. Only do 2 cotton balls. I will say that if you only do 2 cotton balls, it's a little bit more difficult to fill it in because you only have 2 creases. And as you remember on the last one that I did, I had 3 creases because I had 3 cotton balls. So I added 3 different pieces of pine cone. So I'm going to do one with 2 just so you can see the difference. Now what you can do if you only do 2 cotton balls is you can add 2 more pine cones just to the sides of the cotton ball, just to give like that illusion that you have more cotton balls and more creases. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that just to show you how that looks. So there you can see. And now I'm just going to try to glue the bottom again, just so that it looks like everything is coming from the bottom. Feel free to use your scissors or something similar that will ensure that you don't burn your fingers. So this would be like a mini cotton ball. And if you need to, you can obviously fix things once it's on the stem just to make it look nicer. As I'm doing here, I'm actually
Okay, now we're just going to continue to form our cotton balls and glue them to the stems. I'd like to thank all those that are returning to my channel and that have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video.
Okay. Now this is the finished product. I think it looks very good. Like I said, one of my little cotton stems, well, did break off. You can fluff these out if you'd like, just to give them a little bit more realistic look to them. You got to be very careful though, because they will break or you'll pull too much off. And now you can take this and you can decorate it. You can add it to a decor piece. I will show you how I do it.